Hello and welcome to this arithmetic exercise. So there are quite a few questions based on arithmetic, and you've got to do working out, if you don't mind, in terms of answering some of these questions. All the questions are very different from each other. So you've got some questions on adding, subtracting, fractions, decimals, ordering fractions, and so on and so on. So do plenty of working out to answer these questions, but let's just do one of the questions together, which is a subtraction question. So 7,216 take away 707. So just lay it out like this: the bigger number on top, smaller number at the bottom. So as you can see here, we can't take away 7 from 6 because 6 is too small. The top number always has to be bigger. So let's go next door, turn 1 into 0, and borrow the 1 there to make 16. So what's 16 take away 7? 16 take away 7 is going to be 9. 0 take away 0 will be 0. You can't take away 7 from 2, so we'll go to the left side, cancel 7, turn it into 6, and then borrow the 1 from here. So 12 take away 7 is going to be 5, and 6 take away nothing is going to be 6. So your answer here is 6,509. Do your best in these questions, and like usual, we will go to our next lesson. And in our next lesson, we'll cover these questions one by one. Thank you so much.